Are you a cafe or restaurant owner struggling to keep up with the demand for chai in your bustling kitchen? Are those sudden chai orders causing delays to your kitchen's workload and leaving your customers waiting? Introducing Tweak Beverages Instant Tea and Coffee Vending Machine. With easy assembly and on a push of a button, you can now serve multiple chai orders instantly without adding extra strain on your kitchen staff. Our machine offers convenience and profitability and serves delicious instant chai with multiple options like Masala Chai, Cardamom Chai and Karak Chai, providing unparalleled value for money. Impress your customers with flavorful instant chai while maximizing profits for your cafe or restaurant. Contact us now to book your machine and elevate your cafe's service game.